Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Corsair Obsidian Series 550D mid-tower computer case. The body is made of stamped steel, and if I brush my hand against it, you won't really see any fingerprints, which is really nice. And the front, we have a diamond-cut brushed aluminum front panel, very fancy. And up at the top, we have your two USB 3.0 ports, power button, reset button, your headphone and microphone jacks. And it measures 8.7 inches wide, 18.9 inches tall, and 20.9 inches deep. And just pinch these two sections right here to swing open this door. Inside, it's lined with some soft foam to reduce noise. And here's a really interesting feature. You'll be able to remove this altogether and replace it on the other side. Give me just a moment. Just like this, very easy, depending on your preferences. Inside we have your four 5¼ inch drive bays. All you have to do is pop them out from the inside via two tabs, and just below that, if you press on this pattern, you'll be able to open up this cover. And inside we have a magnetic dust filter. I mean, it's magnetic in that it attaches itself, and it makes it really easy to clean. Inside we have your two pre-installed 120mm fans. On the side, same thing, just click to release. And we have mounting points for two 120s or two 140mm fans, or one 240mm radiator. It's compatible with the Corsair Hydro Series CPU coolers, as well as other liquid cooling systems. Oh, the dust filter is also magnetic and removable, easily removable. Finally, on the back, we have a pre-installed 120mm fan. There are mounting points for a 140mm fan. And here's your knockout for your input-output shield for your motherboard, 8 expansion slots, and 4 grommets for threading your cables through or your water cooling tubes, and a bottom power supply mount. At the top of the case, we have a removable cover. Simply just press to release. And inside is another magnetic dust filter. Very easily removable and replaceable, very easy to clean as well. And we have mounting points for two 120s or two 140mm fans, as well as a 240mm radiator. On the bottom, we have some raised rubber feet for airflow, as well as to reduce vibration, and a removable bottom dust filter. Always nice. Some ventilation holes for where your power supply sits, and a mounting point for a 120 or a 140mm fans. I'm just going to go ahead and remove these thumb screws, so I'll be able to take out the bottom drive cage for you later when I talk about the interior. Here we have a generous cutout for your aftermarket heatsink, rubber grommets to thread your cables through, and plenty of tie-down points to manage all those cables. And over here we have a look at the business end of your drive mounts. And let me just tilt this a little bit to show you that there is some space between the motherboard tray and the side panel to give you some extra room for cable management. And the motherboard tray is indented to give you a little bit of extra room. I've already taken off the left side panel, and it also has foam padding for noise dampening. And here are your mounts for your two 120s or two 140mm fans. Inside, the case is fully painted black, which is always nice. And here's another look at your pre-installed 120mm fan with its 3-pin connector. They've already included some motherboard standoffs on here for you, and it's compatible with ATX or micro ATX motherboards. Here are a bunch of the front panel connectors. Here's your 20-pin USB 3.0 connector, audio connector, and your various power reset and LED plugs. And these are your what is this zip tie doing here? I mean this twist tie. And here are your two 3-pin connectors for your front fans. And on the right side, we have your four 5¼ inch drive bays. It is a toolless design, simply push to release. And below that, we have your 6 drive mounts. Just slide one out for your 3.5 inch as well as 2.5 inch drives. Now if I remove these thumb screws here and flip it around to this side, remove these two thumb screws, I'll be able to slide out the two drive cages. And I just want to show you what it looks like when I do. There we have it. Before I talk about the accessories, I want to show you how well this 12-inch graphics card fits inside this case. There we go. And if you move the two cages that I have shown you earlier, you'll have much more space. Here is your quick start guide. Let me just open it up for you. Very handy. And this is a warning for you to not return this product to the store. We have a bunch of your various mounting screws. Won't really go into too much detail there. And your zip ties. Finally, one last thing. This is an adapter for your USB 3 to USB 2 in case you have one of those older motherboards that does not support a 20-pin header. That wraps up our overview on this Corsair Obsidian Series 550D mid-tower computer case. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.